How to log into TikTok. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can log into TikTok, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to log into TikTok, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the TikTok application here, and then you're going to be able to see this type of interface here. Now if you don't have an account, you can just go ahead and sign up with your phone or your email if that is what you wish, but if you want to log into an existing account, you can just tap on the login option here. Then you can choose to log in with your phone, email address or username if that is what is convenient for you, or you can simply choose to log in with your Google account by tapping on continue with Google option, simply going ahead and then making sure to select your Google account or your Facebook or your Twitter account. If you're on iPhone, you can also log in with your Apple ID, and as you've done that, you will be successfully logged in to TikTok. That's all it takes to log into TikTok. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.